Hello everyone. In this class, let's discuss about bid submission and bid evaluation. So, what do you mean by bid? Bid is nothing but a bid or any tender is nothing but it is the submission made by any prospective suppliers or bidders in response to the invitation called by any house of any office or any department. So it's just like an offer made by the potential bidder or prospective suppliers in order to supply the goods or services. So what do you mean by bid evaluation? Bid evaluation is nothing but once the bid submission deadline is over, once the after the deadline, we evaluate the bids submitted to the particular department, and we will open the bids and we will examine whether the supplier fulfills or whether the bidder fulfills the following criteria or mentioned criteria or whatever requirements we have, whether is fulfilling or not. So also we can say that the evaluation process takes place in several steps or several aspects will be considered here. So while evaluating bid, we consider the technical aspects, commercial aspects, and capacity evaluation. We say that as a technical evaluation, capacity evaluation, and commercial evaluation. And also, while evaluating the bids, we first look into the lowest price. Who quotes the lowest amount will be the first thing we look into, and along with it we say that meet is nothing but most economically advantageous tender. If there are two potential bidders, if the two bidders are closest to each other, then we will look into the condition that who is the most or which bid is most economical to us, and along with it we will also check the mean value of the bid, and we will exclude some extremes in their bids, or if anything which is anything which is extreme, we will neglect it, or some criteria will be excluded, because none of the bidder may have everything in hand, or there will be some uncertainties in the field, so that you may not have anyone who is having that much potential of a bidder who may exclude one minimum or one minor criteria. So we check everything, and we will come to the conclusion. Along with it, there is a criteria that none of the bids should be evaluated within the deadline. So once all the bids are submitted within the deadline, then it should be evaluated. If any bid is submitted after the deadline, then it is considered as null and void. So there will be negotiation done between the two potential or two or three top bidders, and we will come to a conclusion that to whom the tender should be awarded. And while evaluating, we should not include any criteria we are not mentioned in the tender notice. So we should only consider the criteria which will be mentioned in the tender notice. These are all some introduction about the bid submission and bid evaluation. And one more thing I would like to emphasize: initial days, or in the olden days, the bid is submitted offline or in paper bags. It used to be submitted in the paper bags, and some of the boxes used to be specified or allocated to submit the bid, and one should drop their bids in the respective departments or in concerned departments, and where the which box will be appointed for the tender submission. And one more option was there: used to send it by the postal or through post. You can submit the bid, and while submitting the bid, we should keep one thing in mind, or one should follow this. It should be in two different segments in one of the what to say, in one set of in one envelope we should submit the technical related documents, or what is a technical specification, anything which is technical, it should be covered, or it should be enveloped in one envelope, and another one should be enveloped by, what to say, by involving everything which is concerned with finance. So financial document should be in one envelope, and technical document should be in one envelope, and it should be posted to the, it should be together posted in a single, what to say, safe manner to the concerned authority or department. Thank you.